In the beginning of November, I went to an OK Go concert, and the band is famous for their zero-gravity music videos, their treadmill choreography, and their crazy Rube Goldberg machine sequence in a music video. A Rube Goldberg machine is one that performs a simple final action with many indirect and synchronous parts that ultimately cause this domino effect. 40 MIT engineers built this machine in the music video. But without the help of 40 MIT engineers, I built a Rube Goldberg machine, and I'm presenting to you the Cookie Factory. The Cookie Factory is a human-automated Rube Goldberg machine that takes you from mixing eggs all the way to baking a cookie. The recipe calls for 1 egg, some cookie dough, and lots of 3D printed parts. First, you must crack an egg. I designed a mixing bowl and mixer to mix the eggs. The user will crack the egg and put it in the bowl and use the mixer. The mixer was created to have a crank to allow the mixer to rotate in 360 degrees. Once the batter is created, the user should roll out the cookie dough to prepare the cookie. There is a hexagon design that was extruded on the pin to give the cookies some extra decoration. Cookies aren't meant to be eaten alone. They're meant to be shared, so you will need to find a way to cut the cookie dough prior to baking. I used a gears mechanism that functions similarly to a fidget spinner. The 2 pieces for connection on the left and right create a way for a user to control the range of motion of the gear. This was designed because the gear not only acts as a simple cutting mechanism, but is also fun and safe to play with. Why pour M&Ms when they could go down a fun slide? Cowabunga! The M&M slide was designed to have a compartment to hold the candy for easy access. Now that the M&Ms have arrived in their container, they must be transported back to the cookie dough. They deserve to ride in style, so they get their very own 2-wheel car. It's not a BMW or a Tesla, but it does the job and can be speedy if you push it fast enough. If you are still hungry when the cookie is baking, you can fly leftover M&Ms into your friend's mouth. The design for the catapult used a rectangular curved base, a circle that had one side that was hollow to allow an M&M to sit, and 3, 2, 1, flying M&Ms in the catapult. It is not the fastest way to make a cookie, but it is fun. So keep flying M&Ms in the catapult and letting your M&Ms ride in style.